Are your home appliances breaking down? Well, most appliances can last quite a while, but eventually time just takes a toll. And unfortunately, appliances aren't very cheap. To replace all of the appliances in your house, it's probably going to cost well over $10,000. And even just to replace a couple of the appliances, it's still going to cost $2,000 or $3,000. So what should you do? Well, we've worked with a lot of home sellers in your position, and here's what we recommend. The first is to replace the most important appliances first. So start by replacing the most important appliances like the refrigerator, the oven, the washer and dryer. And then over time, you can eventually replace less important appliances like the heating and the AC unit. The next recommendation is to fix what you can. So if the appliances are really old, then they're probably going to have to be replaced. But it's worth having an expert come out and tell you what can be repaired instead of replacing all of them up front. It's always going to be cheaper to repair an appliance as opposed to fully replacing one. The last piece of advice and our recommendation is to sell to a professional home buyer like us. So if things are breaking down quicker than you can fix them and the bills are just adding up, we'd understand if you'd want to sell the property, especially if you've got a lot of equity in the house. So we buy houses as is, we pay cash, and we can close in as little as 2 weeks. Give us a call at the number in the description of this video, and we'd love to talk to you about the details.